During the 1970s, the American diet looked very different from what it does today. While modern grocery stores are filled with ultra-processed snacks, frozen meals, and sugary beverages, many families in the 1970s relied on simpler, more natural foods. These meals weren't marketed as superfoods, but they quietly helped millions of Americans maintain healthier lifestyles. One reason the 1970s diet was healthier was because most meals were cooked at home. Families often prepared dishes using whole ingredients like vegetables, grains, eggs, and fresh meats. Processed food certainly existed, but it wasn't nearly as dominant as it is today. Oatmeal was one of the most common breakfast foods during this time. Many Americans started their mornings with a warm bowl of oats topped with fruit or honey. Oatmeal provided fiber, long-lasting energy, and important nutrients. Eggs were another staple food. Scrambled eggs, omelets, and boiled eggs appeared in countless breakfasts. Eggs offered high-quality protein and healthy fats that helped keep people full for hours. Whole wheat bread was also popular. Unlike many modern breads loaded with additives, bread in the 1970s often contained fewer processed ingredients. Another healthy food that appeared regularly in kitchens was cottage cheese. This protein-rich dairy product was frequently eaten with fruit or used in light lunches. Yogurt also started gaining popularity during this decade. Many families enjoyed plain yogurt with fruit, which provided beneficial probiotics and nutrients. Fresh vegetables were another essential part of the 1970s diet. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, and green beans appeared in home-cooked dinners across the country. Potatoes were also common. Baked potatoes were often served as a healthy side dish instead of fried foods. Beans and legumes played a large role in many meals as well. Foods like lentils and kidney beans provided affordable protein and fiber. Fish became increasingly popular during this period as people began recognizing the health benefits of seafood. Despite these healthy choices, many of these foods slowly disappeared from everyday meals. Fast food chains expanded rapidly, and processed snacks began replacing traditional home-cooked dishes. Looking back, the 1970s diet reminds us that simple foods can often be the healthiest ones. Many of the ingredients that supported healthier lifestyles decades ago are still available today, waiting to be rediscovered. In the 1970s, American grocery shopping looked very different. Families spent more time selecting fresh ingredients rather than grabbing ready-to-eat products. This habit naturally led to healthier eating patterns. One important food from that era was brown rice. Unlike refined white rice, brown rice contains fiber and nutrients that support digestion and energy levels. Another healthy staple was peanut butter. Many households kept jars of natural peanut butter in their kitchens. It provided protein and healthy fats that made it a satisfying snack. Apples were also incredibly common. Instead of sugary desserts, many families ended meals with fresh fruit. Bananas were another everyday food. They were affordable, portable, and packed with potassium. Homemade soups were also widely enjoyed. Vegetable soup and chicken soup were often cooked in large pots and eaten throughout the week. Salads became increasingly popular during the 1970s as people began paying more attention to nutrition. Another healthy food was tuna. Tuna salad sandwiches provided protein and omega-3 fats. Milk was another major part of the diet. Many children and adults drank milk daily for calcium and vitamins. Cheese, when eaten in moderation, was also a regular source of nutrients. Even snacks looked different during this era. Instead of highly processed chips, people often enjoyed nuts, fruit, or homemade baked goods. These foods helped maintain balanced diets because they were simple, filling, and nutritious. Over time, however, convenience foods began replacing these traditional options. Frozen dinners, sugary cereals, and packaged snacks slowly became the norm. While these products offered convenience, they often lacked the nutritional value found in earlier foods. Today, many health experts encourage a return to whole foods similar to those eaten decades ago. The 1970 seconds diet may not have been perfect, but it contained many ingredients that supported healthier lifestyles. Home cooking played a central role in American life during the 1970s. Many meals were prepared from scratch, which allowed families to control the ingredients they used. Chicken was one of the most commonly served proteins. Roasted or baked chicken provided lean protein without excessive additives. Another popular dish was vegetable stir-fry. Simple combinations of vegetables cooked in a pan created quick and nutritious meals. Whole grain cereals also appeared frequently at breakfast tables. Popcorn was another surprisingly healthy snack. When prepared without excessive butter, popcorn offered fiber and whole grain benefits. Fresh oranges and citrus fruits were common snacks as well. Another widely eaten food was yogurt parfait made with fruit and granola. Cabbage and leafy greens were often included in dinners because they were affordable and nutritious. Simple pasta dishes made with tomato sauce also provided balanced meals. Many families also prepared homemade sandwiches using fresh ingredients rather than processed deli meals. These foods helped create diets that were naturally balanced and nutrient-rich. However, as processed foods became more widely available, many of these traditional meals began disappearing from everyday kitchens. Another defining feature of the 1970s diet was moderation. Meals were often portioned more carefully, and snacks were less frequent. Home gardens also played an important role. Many families grew vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. Fresh tomatoes were used in salads, sandwiches, and sauces. Another healthy food was baked fish. Whole grain pasta also began appearing in some kitchens during the later part of the decade. Yogurt smoothies made with fruit became popular breakfast options. Another healthy dish was vegetable casseroles made with fresh ingredients. Even desserts were often homemade, using simple ingredients rather than artificial additives. These habits helped people consume fewer chemicals and preservatives. While modern food technology offers convenience, it often replaces the simplicity that made earlier diets healthier. Looking back at the 1970s, it becomes clear that many everyday foods contributed to healthier lifestyles. These foods were not marketed as trendy superfoods, but they naturally supported balanced nutrition. The biggest difference was the emphasis on real ingredients. Meals focused on vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy rather than heavily processed snacks. Another important factor was family cooking traditions. Recipes were often passed down through generations. Meals were typically eaten together at the dinner table rather than quickly consumed on the go. These habits encouraged slower eating and better digestion. Today, many people are rediscovering the benefits of returning to whole foods similar to those eaten decades ago. While technology and convenience have changed the modern diet, the lessons from the 1970s remain valuable. Simple foods, home cooking, and balanced meals continue to be some of the best ways to support long-term health. By bringing back these traditional ingredients, people can reconnect with healthier eating habits that once defined everyday life.